Hello, this is Chris Mercer, president of Tradesight.com. I'd like to thank you for viewing our 1,000th YouTube video. We're very happy to have hit the 1,000 mark after just over a year and a half, filling our YouTube page with market previews and market trade recaps and even some specific signals that we've pointed out in the market themselves for turning points. There's a lot of educational information in our archive of YouTube videos, and we hope you take a look at them. I think you can learn a lot about the market from our YouTube videos alone. I wanted to take the opportunity of this 1,000th video to walk you through a couple of special items that give you some ideas of what Tradesight does and sort of explain how you can use Tradesight. And then we have a special offer for those who follow us on YouTube that are viewing this video today. So let's start out. This is Tuesday, February 11th, 2014. I wanted to talk about some of the trade calls we had today, some of the market information that our tools provide, and there's some of my alerts going off right now on the euro dollar. But I want to walk you through what our information live in the market can do for you as a trader. So here are a couple of the stock picks that we had today. This is the SLXP. This came from the report that we post overnight for our stock subscribers. We suggested a long entry over $101.82, and you can see that's around right around here. Initially sort of swept the trigger, and now it's more than a point in the money as we sit here heading into the lunch hour. So a nice winner there on the SLXP. Another one of our analysts posted an entry in KLAC over 62.50. You can see the nice run that we've had on that stock today. Real nice construction and a cup and handle below that we broke out of and started running today through and ran up almost a full point on a $60 stock to the high of the session there. And here's the CELG, another one that we had posted for a long entry today, and this one also working very well, hitting new highs right now as I speak at 159.20, up well over a point. So that was what we did for our stock subscribers today. We also have about a Forex service, and this is a look at the pound dollar last night. There's a bunch of what we call our key levels on this page. And last night we had suggested going long or buying the pound dollar over what we call our upper break level. That's this red line right here. And you can see we broke over that level. Our first target was R2, which is right here. And that's where we sell half of our trade. And then we came in the morning, we adjusted our stop, and this thing's still moving at this point. Currently up only about 40 pips, not the biggest winner in the world, but certainly a winner nonetheless. We'll call it 50 pips at this point. And it had hit a little bit higher. So we still have the second half of the position, and that can still go somewhere for us. Also, here's a look at oil, and this is a real interesting look from our Comer tool. You can see that this is 10-minute bars on the crude oil chart going back about a week, and you can see this 13 right here. This is what we call a Comer 13 sell signal on the 10-minute chart. What it does is it produces, it suggests that maybe you're topping out after this nice run that oil had from 97 to just over 100. It suggests that you're topping out with the ultimate wall of resistance being what we call our risk line. That's this pink line right here. You get the pink line as soon as you get the 13 signal here. So you can see on this 10-minute chart that crude oil basically stalled out and now has using this risk line exactly as resistance. So this kind of gives you an idea that oil's topping out, and it's been that way now for the last day and a half. One of the things I wanted to focus on briefly here is some of the new functionality that we have at Tradesight over the last year or so. We've had a lot of requests and demand from our subscribers to be able to get our information on the go so they don't have to be stuck to one single computer all the time. A lot of people working other jobs want to be able to get our stock picks, our Forex calls, our futures calls, and all of our information when they're not sitting at their main trading station. So we use Twitter now to produce and send you our trade calls. And here's an example of what we've sent out this morning. We currently have an Amazon trade I'll pull up in a minute that's working. That was a short under 359. So these come to you real time versus our various Twitter feeds. Here was that clack call to buy over 62.50. Here's the CELG was over 157.85 as I showed you. That's much higher at this point in time. So these calls are delivered to you, and the nice thing is, even though I'm showing it to you on a desktop, you can actually get these calls in real time to your phone, your tablet, whatever device you want to have them sent to. So if you're on the go, you can get them in real time and make your own decisions about whether or not you want to trade them. And we also offer the Tradesight Trading Lab, and here's a look at that. This is a place where all of our subscribers can come. It's included with all our subscriptions, so that you can ask us questions throughout the day. We have good discussions about what's going on in the market. We show our charts as our trades are playing out. So, for example, I mentioned the Amazon short that Rich had called under 359. Here's a look at the 5-minute Amazon chart right now as it heads down towards 357. So we're short Amazon from 359, approaching 2 points in the money here. Real nice trade, successfully working there as well. But we can answer all your questions, give you immediate feedback, show you charts in real time about the market and the stocks we're trading. We talk about our stops and how we're managing those trades. So in the last year, Tradesight's really expanded its mobile offering, making it really easy for us to deliver content to you. And this trading lab that you see here, again, I'm showing it to you on my computer, but you can also use Chrome and Firefox and some other browsers on your phone or tablet to see the room and hear the room while you're on the go. So it's not just for sitting at your desktop. You can actually listen to Tradesight, sort of like a radio station with visuals, if you will, while you're on the road. So really, there's no place we can't help you at this point in Tradesight. And as I started out this conversation, we have a pretty deep archive now of YouTube videos. This is our 1,000th video. Very happy about that. And as a special offer today, anybody that goes through and likes 5 of our YouTube videos, all you have to do is +1 the YouTube videos, and then contacts us. You can have 1 free month of any Tradesight service that you're not currently subscribed to. We'll get you access to whatever it might be, whether you're interested in stocks, futures, and Forex, and that includes all of our trade calls in that particular asset class. If you're interested in more than one of those, let me know. I'd be happy to get you set up on that. And then it will also include the trading lab, so you can come in and talk to us for a month, and we'll help guide you through some of the trading that we're doing in that particular asset class. So again, go through our YouTube archive, find 5 videos that you found useful, like or +1 those videos for us, and then contact us, and we'll get you set up with a free month of any of the services you're interested in. Thanks for being a great follower of Tradesight. We depend obviously on our subscribers. I always say that we have the best subscribers in the world, and I'd like to thank you for the years now, over 10 years we've been offering to help people learn how to trade the market successfully, and I'm certainly glad to have you all with us. Have a great trading day.